Lesson 154, Negative Imperatives.
All right, Bill, we've talked about asking people to do things for us, but how do we tell them to not do it? Like, say, I don't want you to run off with my wallet.
Well, we have a special and kind of weird way to do that, and it involves the verb nolo, which means to not want something.
All right, so what do we do?
Well, the way we're going to tell someone not to do something in Latin, it's going to be kind of weird. We're going to tell them to not want to do that thing. This is a very idiomatic way of talking. We don't say to them, don't do it. We say, don't want to do it.
All right, so, Bill, don't want to take my wallet.
And that is exactly how you would say it in Latin, don't want to do it. So what this involves is the imperative forms of the verb nolo. And you can see them here. Noli is when you tell one person to not want something, and nolite is when you tell multiple people to not want something.
So, noli portare my wallet.
Keep in mind that these forms are irregular. Nolo and wolo, the verbs, are very irregular, and these imperatives are irregular. But that doesn't matter. You can just memorize them, noli and nolite. And then once you have that part of it, the rest is easy because, Michael, all you're doing is just adding a complementary infinitive, right?
Right, and everybody listening here should be old pros at that by now.
That's right. You've been doing that a long time. So noli tells one person to not want something, and then you just add a complementary infinitive. Noli portare says, hey, you one person, don't want to carry. Or, to an ancient Roman, that would mean, don't carry. And then if you have nolite, that's the plural imperative of nolo. That's when you tell multiple people, hey, you multiple people over there, don't want. And then you add portare, the infinitive, and that's saying, hey, you people over there, don't want to carry. But idiomatically, that's the way an ancient Roman would have said, don't carry. So that's the idea here, folks, is you say don't want to do something, and that's how you tell someone not to do something in Latin.